Join me as I take on the challenge of cutting out all the annoying spam and supercharging my content strategy. Let's see how much better my content can get. Spam in content strategy is a huge turnoff, not just for you, but for your audience too. When your content is flooded with irrelevant, low quality, or just plain annoying posts, it dilutes your message and makes it harder for your audience to engage with you. I've been there, done that, and got the t-shirt. It's time to cut out the noise. Spammy content can make your messaging unclear and your brand look desperate. Your audience starts to lose interest, and before you know it, they're not engaging with you at all. It's like having a big, beautiful billboard with a bunch of sticky notes plastered all over it. The main message gets lost in the clutter. And let's not forget about the algorithms. They can tell when your content is spammy, and they'll punish you for it. Another issue with spam is that it can be super frustrating for your audience. Imagine you're scrolling through your feed, and suddenly, you're bombarded with a bunch of irrelevant posts. You're probably going to stop engaging with that content altogether. Your audience's attention is a precious thing. Don't waste it on spam. The more spam you have in your content strategy, the more you're going to struggle to build trust with your audience. If your content is low quality or irrelevant, they're going to start to question whether you're an expert in your field or not. And once you lose that trust, it's hard to get it back. So, how do you identify and eliminate spam from your content strategy? Start by taking a hard look at your content and asking yourself if it's really relevant to your audience. Ask yourself if it's engaging, if it's high quality, and if it's aligned with your brand's message. One effective strategy is to focus on creating high quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. This means taking the time to research, plan, and create content that's actually worth sharing. It's not always easy, but it's worth it in the end. Another strategy is to use tools and analytics to help you identify and eliminate spam. Look at your metrics. Are there certain types of content that are consistently underperforming? Are there certain keywords or topics that are getting more engagement than others? Use that data to inform your content strategy and make adjustments as needed. By cutting out the spam and focusing on high-quality content, you can transform how your audience engages with you. A powerful tip is to create content that's actually worth sharing, whether it's informative, entertaining, or inspiring. To take it to the next level, consider using a tool or platform that helps you streamline your content creation and distribution. This can help you stay organized, save time, and ensure that your content is always high quality and engaging. In conclusion, a spam-free content approach is key to boosting engagement and reach. By focusing on high-quality content and eliminating spam, you can build trust with your audience and create a loyal following. If you've had experiences with spam in your content strategy, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips and tricks on how to supercharge your content strategy, be sure to check out my other videos.